Hello, also in this video I will explain you about acknowledgement process, how acknowledgement field works in can frame format. So before going into the acknowledgement process, let's imagine teacher is your transmitting node, student is your receiving node, and thumbs up is your dominant bit, that is 0. So imagine a teacher writing a question on the board. Each student gives a thumbs up, to acknowledge they understand the question. If no student gives a thumbs up, the teacher knows something went wrong. Then he or she uh, created the questions. So this is the real world scenarios I have given. So let's get back. Let's get back to our acknowledgement field here. Acknowledgement field. So the transmitting node, let's say node A, sending the data, places a recessive bit, logical one here. Okay, in the acknowledgement slot of the message. This is one recessive bit. All receiving nodes validate the frame for errors using the CRC field. If a receiving node successfully receives and validates the frame, it overrides the recessive bit in the acknowledgement slot with a dominant bit. So this one becomes 0 by the receiving node. So recessive bit will be overridden by the dominant bit to acknowledge the message. Okay. So if I tell you example, here you can see acknowledgement must transmitter sends recessive bit, that is 1, and receiver asserts override dominant. So let's say if node A is transmitting uh, 0, then node B receiving something. So in the acknowledgement slot, the transmitter is making it as 1. Here you can see it is recessive, and at the same time receiver node B, it is making it 0. Here you can see 0, that is dominant bit, and here it is transmitting. So this recessive bit will be overridden by here by node B as dominant bit. It is 0. Okay, so all the nodes will be connected as wired, and we all know. So the bus becomes 0, dominant bit. So here there is no acknowledgement error because it has overridden. Okay. But what happens if acknowledgement fails? So if the transmitting node doesn't detect a dominant bit in the acknowledgement slot, let's say this node A, it has transmitted something and it is making here in on the CAN bus as 1, and it is expecting this recessive bit to become a dominant bit, but uh, it doesn't detect a dominant bit in the acknowledgement slot. All nodes keep it recessive, so it interprets this as an acknowledgement error. So this usually means no receiving nodes exist on the bus. First, second, the message was not correctly received or validated by any node. Okay. So example, let's say continuing with the teacher analogy, if none of the students raise their hands, the teacher realizes they didn't understand and may re-explain the topic. So acknowledgement delimiter means a single recessive bit that follows the acknowledgement slot and separates the acknowledgement from the next part of the can frame. Okay. This is the acknowledgement delimiter. So what its purpose here in acknowledgement field? So it ensures proper synchronization and clear separation between fields in the can frame. Example, think of this as a space between two sentences in written text, ensuring clarity. Okay, so acknowledgement delimiter must be recessive in nature. So let's get back to our this example real world scenario. So if I give let's say The engine control unit sends a speed data message to various nodes like the dashboard display and the cruise control system. If the dashboard node successfully receives the message, it acknowledges by sending a dominant bit in the acknowledgement slot. So the dashboard node successfully receiving the message. ECU is sending a speed data message. Let's say it is bit is 1, and in response the dashboard node successfully receives the message, and it acknowledges by sending a dominant bit in the acknowledgement slot, means overwriting the ECU speed data message. So if the dashboard node is malfunctioning, the ECU doesn't receive acknowledgement and might retry or log an error. That is our acknowledgement error. So this is the process of how acknowledgement process works in the CAN frame. So you can think of this, if I sum up this diagram in one sentence. So node A is transmitting 1 recessive bit, node B is overriding this recessive bit to 0 here. That is dominant bit, means it has acknowledged the message. And in CAN bus you can see this is a dominant bit is acknowledgement, so there is no acknowledgement error. If recessive, if this becomes a recessive, then you will get acknowledgement error.